Reopening a closed Wells Fargo account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Gather necessary information. Before you begin the process, collect all relevant information such as your account number, personal identification, and any documents related to the account closure. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Wells Fargo's customer service at their official number or visit a local branch. Explain your situation and express your desire to reopen your closed account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Discuss account options. Once your identity is verified, discuss the options available for reopening your account. Ask about any fees, changes in terms, or requirements that may apply. Step 5. Complete the reopening process. Follow the instructions provided by the representative to complete the reopening process. This may involve signing forms or making an initial deposit, depending on the account type. Once you have completed these steps, your account should be reopened. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again for assistance.